Morning, children. In GK, we discussed up to chapter 5. Now it's time to discuss chapter 6, National Animals. But I'm not discussing this chapter because it's very easy. You have to write the names of the national animals of different countries only. The pictures are given here, and the names of the countries are also shown like this. Okay, and the helper box is also given here. If you don't know, if you have any query, you can search for answer at the last page of the book. Okay, and if, even after that you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, especially write GK doubt. Okay, so the we are moving to next chapter. That is chapter 7, is geological wonders. Look at the following rare and amazing geographical wonders and read their descriptions. Write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. This amazing place comprises around 1268 cone-shaped hills spread within an area of 50 square kilometers in Bohol, Philippines. The name of this wonder is Chocolate Hills. So it is in Philippines and it is called Chocolate Hills. Looks like sand dunes, is it? But it's not sand dunes, it's not a desert area. Chocolate Hills. The next one is that it's in USA. It is a red rock tunnel on the border of Arizona and Utah. It is made of 190 million year old sand dunes that have turned into rocks. So this was sand dune, and after many years it turned into rocks. It's only accessible by foot. That means we cannot use any vehicle to go to this place. We can, if we want to visit this place, we have to move by foot only. So the name of the place is that the Wave, WAVE, the Wave. Now we are moving to the third one. It's really an amazing place. See, and it is in Sahara Desert. With a diameter of about 40 kilometers, this spectacular landform in Mauritania is known as the Eye of the Sahara. It's called the Eye of the Sahara. The name of this wonder is Richat Structure. Richat Structure. And remember, it's the diameter is about 40 kilometers. Really, it's very big, no? So the next one, we are moving to the fourth one, that is called, this is called Cotton Castle or White Castle because of the whiteness caused by the deposition of calcium carbonate in high amount. So because of the deposition of the mineral calcium carbonate, what is happening? The white color, it is shown as white color, and this beautiful place in Turkey has 17 hot water springs heated by an underground volcano. The healing properties of this area attract many people across the world. It was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. The name of this wonder is Pamukkale. Pamukkale. That is the place, name of the place. Okay, and the important thing is that the place looks like white in color, and the most important thing is that it has 17 hot water springs. Hot water springs, and that is happening because of underground volcano. There is volcano under this place, and that is why 17 places around this, what is the spring water means small streams are there, and hot water is coming from these all streams. Okay, so that's why it's a very important place and to visit. Okay, and it is a World Heritage Site recognized by UNESCO. And as usual, here is a quiz time. Roof of the world. Tibetan plateau is called roof of the world. And form of limestone deposited by mineral springs, especially hot springs. That is travertine deposits. These are the answers. First answer is B, second answer is A. So a note is given for you. Read the book, The World's Greatest Geological Wonders, 36 Spectacular Sites by Professor Michael E. Weishagen, and राइट इट्स रिव्यू. रीड करके रिव्यू लिखने के लिए बोल रहे हैं आपको. अगर इफ अवेलेबल यू कैन रीड दिस. इट मस्ट बी वेरी very interesting. Okay, now Crystal Cave of Mexico gives the view of the world's largest known crystal formation. The crystal beam within the cave have a height of 36 feet and measure a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius. You can search for this. I searched for this place in Google, and it is really amazing. This one, Pamukkale. It's very interesting place. Okay, so if you are interested, you can search for all these places, and you can see the amazing places, and you will also get more knowledge about these places. Okay, so in half yearly GK paper will be the start learning right now today itself, one chapter every day. Otherwise you cannot remember the names of these chapters, these important places. Okay, so next time half yearly you have to write the answers your own, not MCQs. You have to write the answers also. So that's why read, learn. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.